I don't spend a lot of time on the drawing. I'm just doing the basic shapes. I'm using a cat's tongue brush to fill in the first layer. When you use enough paint, it hardly leaves any brush marks. I'm not aiming at getting the wave color exactly right in the first layer. I'm going to slowly build it up to the right color value. By using multiple transparent layers and by not totally closing the paint surface, the bottom layers will keep shining through and give the surface a brilliance that it wouldn't have otherwise. In doing these foam patterns, you need to have a certain looseness in your brushwork without losing sight of the overall shape. My painting technique is mainly based on smooth surfaces and transitions, but it tends to result in a dull painting if it's not counterbalanced by a little spontaneous brushwork here and there. I feel like a real artist when I'm painting these accents, but afterwards I'm often tempted to soften them again. But if they're well placed, they bring life and movement to your painting. Here comes the fun part. This color mix consists of a lot of medium and little paint. The paint has to be this thin to make it suitable for a technique some of you may remember from kindergarten. Back in art school, techniques like this were not appreciated, just like the one with the stippler. Because, so they said, you had no control over it. I beg to differ. Just like with every other technique, practice makes perfect. Now I'm ready for the finishing touch. Pure titanium white and a little vermilion red to restore the highlights that suffered from the glazing. Isn't it great how this chaos of brush marks and paint dots merges into a rolling wave when you take a few steps back? It never ceases to amaze me. Okay, now it's finished.